Hello and welcome. This lecture is based on triangles, how to name a triangle, and types of triangles according to sides and angles. What is a triangle? A triangle is a polygon with three sides. A triangle is a closed figure bounded by three line segments. It is a polygon with three sides, three vertices, and three angles, joined together forming a closed diagram. And we denote a triangle ABC by this symbol of triangle written with ABC. So we name a triangle like this. We can also name this triangle as BCA or triangle CAB. But this is the symbol used with the vertices. So in triangle ABC, three sides are AB, AC, BC, AB, AC, BC, and three vertices. Vertices is a plural of vertex, that is corner. There are three corner points A, B, C. Then there are three interior angles, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3, or we can write angle A, angle B, angle C. So triangle is a polygon with three sides, three vertices, and three angles. And now, types of triangles. The triangles are classified on the basis of lengths of their sides and interior angles. First of all, classification of triangles according to measure of interior angles. According to measure of interior angles, triangles can be classified into three categories: acute-angled triangle, obtuse-angled triangle, and right-angled triangle. First of all, acute-angled triangle. An acute-angled triangle is a triangle in which all the three interior angles are less than 90 degrees, as shown here. In these triangles, all the angles are less than 90 degrees. Obtuse-angled triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle in which one of the interior angles is more than 90 degrees. As in these triangles, one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. And now right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle in which one of the angles is exactly 90 degrees. As shown here, one of the angle is 90 degrees. Side opposite to 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse. In this case, side opposite to 90 degree angle is a hypotenuse, and this is the longest side of the right triangle. And now classification of triangles according to the length of their sides. Triangles can be classified into three types based on the lengths of their sides: Scalene Triangle, Isosceles Triangle, Equilateral Triangle. Scalene Triangle. A scalene triangle is a triangle in which all the sides have different measures and all the interior angles are also different. As in these cases, all the sides are different. Isosceles Triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides and two angles are equal. As shown here, these two sides in this triangle are equal, and we can show equal sides by marking this kind of sign. And in this triangle, these two sides are equal. So equal lengths of a triangle are shown by making an arc on each side. Equilateral Triangle. An equilateral triangle has all the three sides equal and all three interior angles equal too. In this case, each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. As shown here, all the sides of this triangle are of same length 4 cm and all the interior angles are also equal 60 degree each.